Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. Today I will share with you my take on the clean girl makeup aesthetic look. I will also share with you how I style my hair for this, so keep watching if you want to know the details. For this look, I think skincare is very important. I will quickly share with you all the items that I used. So first one I put 2 layers of the fresh rose water toner, and I really like this because I find it very hydrating. 2 layers. Next one is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. I really love this. I find it very hydrating as well. And then after, I put the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. If you have dry skin, this is really great. I've been using this for years and I really like it as well. And then for my sunscreen, I used the Supergoop. This is the Glow sunscreen. This look is supposed to be very effortless, very like your skin but better and glowy. So to prime my skin, I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip. Again, this one is a classic, love it. Very hydrating. So I'm going to put 2 pumps of this. Since this look is mostly about the base, I'm going to use the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and then this is in the shade Macao. I'm going to start with 2 pumps just to see. And what I like about this foundation, it gives me like a radiant finish and a medium coverage. Like it doesn't cover everything, like you can still see some of the spots that I have. And I think 2 pumps is enough. And then I'm going to conceal with the Pat McGrath concealer, and then this is in the shade MD23. Okay, and I'm also going to put it on my lid. Now, even though this is supposed to be very fresh and glowy, I still want a look beat, so that's why I'm using this. And then I'm going to bronze with the Denona Myrix bronzer, and then this is in the shade Deep. Love this thing. Okay, I'm only going to put a little bit of this just to start, so I'm not going to contour. Just going to start blending this now first. And the reason why I like this one is just gives me like a wash of color. It's not really harsh, and you really can't do too much with this. Like it melts into your skin, which is amazing. See? It's very subtle. I like this. Going to start blending. So I want it to be a little bit brighter in this area of my under eye. So I'm going to put a little bit of the Makeup Forever Velvet Matte. So just a little bit of that right here. And then also a little bit on the outer part. And then also on my nose bridge. Okay, start blending. And I'm going to take whatever is left over on this brush and then just go back in with the bronzer. And then I'm going to use Peach Face by Fenty. This is a nice peach blush. And then put that on my cheeks. And also bring that up to my temple. And I want to put a little bit on my nose bridge. I'm going to set my highlight with the Airbrush Flawless Finish by Tilbury in the shade Medium 2. And then I'm going to dust off everything just to make sure the setting powder is gone. I'm just going to set everything with the setting spray by Tilbury. Now to add that glow to my skin, I'm going to put this from Gucci. This is Éclat de Beauté Effet de Lumière. And I already reviewed this, so if you're interested, I will link it down below. Now this is a multi-use gel gloss, so you can put this on your lips, all over your face. Anyway, so I'm going to take a little bit of this, and trust me, a little bit goes a long way. So probably like this much. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand first, and then just rub it in. Okay, and then I'm going to use my fingers and then put it where I need the glow. See, it's very subtle. And what I like about this, it doesn't have any shimmers, so if you're looking for something like this, definitely consider getting this one. Basically gonna put it everywhere I want this wet look. Okay, and then for my brows, I'm gonna go with something very natural and very feathered. So I'm going to use Brow Blade from Urban Decay, and then this is in the shade Dark Drapes, and then going to add brush hair-like strokes. So I'm noticing my contour is a little bit gone on my nose bridge, so I'm going to add a little bit, just a tiny bit. And then I forgot to add brow gel, so I'm using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Okay, and then I'm going to set again my face just one more time, and I'm going to use the same one from Charlotte Tilbury. For the eyes, I'm going to use the Metropolis palette from Natasha Denona, using my favorite shade, which is Antique. This one is beautiful. It's a very light reddish brown that you can build up, so I like it. So I'm going to put just a wash of this on my lid. And it's very warm, so I want it to be very light. So I'm just going to blend that. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just want this to be very simple. And then for the mascara, I'm going to put the Merit mascara. So I'm going to use the tinted lip oil from Merit, and then this is in Marrakesh. I want something really light, so I don't know, we'll see how this looks. I think it's a little bit too pink. What do you guys think for this look? I don't like it for this look. I know what I'm doing. So for my lips, I'm going to line them with the Quark. This is Quark from MAC. And then I'm going to use the Lip Glow Oil from Dior. And then this one is in Coral. Ooh, I just stained it. Trying not to stain the applicator. So I want more gloss on my lips, and I feel like the Dior is glossy, but it's not giving me super glossy. So I'm gonna go with the Danessa Myrix. This is our clear color fix. Going to layer that on top. Just make it really glossy. Yeah. So the sun decided to bless us with this lighting. Look at this. Now for the hair, most people just do a slick bun, but it's not gonna work for me because it always gives me a headache whenever I do a slick bun. So I'm just gonna do my version of a bun, and I feel like it's still gonna work for the trend because it's working for me. So I will show you what I'm doing. Now my hair is already stretched, and what I did two twist out, like a twist, but also a braid, right? So I'm going to just unravel the braid. And then I shaved my hair today because I'm trying to be myself, right? Even if it's a specific look, I still want to look like myself. For this trend, I feel like you should do whatever works for you. I mean, yes, trends are great, but if it doesn't work for you, then what's the point? For example, we don't all have the same hair texture. We don't all have the same hair length. You just got to make it work for you, right? So I'm just going to tie my hair. And this hairstyle, I do it often, like you'll see it on my channel. It just works for me. It's just easy. I just tie my hair. And I'm not gonna lay my edges. I usually don't. I'm just gonna do whatever is the easiest for me. I feel like it's still gonna look cute. And then what I'm going to do then, just make sure everything is stretched. And I'm going to take a chunk, use a bobby pin, and pin that. So this is the final look with the hair and the makeup. This was very simple, effortless, but also just make sure this works for you, not the other way around. I think I forgot to mention, but I have a video on how to cut your hair like this. If you're interested, I will link it down below for you. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Let me know down below if you'll be recreating this look. If you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.